Don't sell your home until you do these 3 things. Number 1, declutter like a pro. I can't stress this enough. Buyers want to see the potential of the space, not your collection of knickknacks. Donate, pack up, and toss anything you don't need. A clear, open space makes your home look bigger and more inviting. Number 2, freshen up with a coat of paint. Trust me, a little paint goes a long way. Choose neutral colors to appeal to the widest audience. It's a simple, cost-effective way to give your home a fresh, modern look. And finally, number 3, boost your curb appeal. First impressions matter, so tidy up that lawn, plant some flowers, and maybe even add a cute welcome mat. You want potential buyers to be wowed from the moment they pull up to your house. So there you have it, declutter, freshen up with paint, and boost your curb appeal. Do these 3 things and you'll be setting yourself up with a successful sale. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share with a friend, and follow me for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy selling!